Hey guys, so I have an unboxing that I want to do with you guys, and more or less I had a fender roll client probably like 3 weeks ago, and when he rolled up to my pop's house I saw his taillights flickering, and I'm like, dude, how did he get the ambulance flickering light thingies? And I'm like, alright, I gotta ask this dude. So he jumped out of his vehicle, we shook hands, said what's up, and then I was like, dude, how did you get those flickering, blinkering light thingies when you press the brake? So he gave me the link, and I got them right here, you guys. These things were like $17 because I spent a little extra on these things. There was some for like $9.99, but yeah, let's just say I didn't want to go cheap on lights. So I'm gonna open these things up real quick. Simplex Technology, you guys can see them, premium LED series, right? Design California. General installation guide, turn off the lights that you are working with, open lamp cover, insert new LED bulb in the socket, turn on, check if the new bulb works correctly, close lamp cover. Yeah, so yeah, there's a little bit of directions on the back, pretty simple, and I'll leave you guys everything in the description below, so you guys can quick link to these things. You can see on each one there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs here, and then there's 6 LEDs on both 4 corners of this bulb. From what I've heard, don't touch the LEDs, do not put your fingers on them. But yeah, I'm gonna get into installing them, and I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. This is what you guys should see, and we're more or less looking at this one right here. There's a little tab, and then squeeze and pull, and that's more or less what it looks like. And then this one, pull this up and then push that little tab and pull. Now that I have the brake light pulled out, go ahead and pull the bulb out. Go ahead and replace it with the LED strobe. Make sure it's in there. Should click. I'm gonna try not to touch those LED bulbs. I think that's in though. So what I'm gonna do, just go ahead and put it right back in. There we go. And we're gonna pop that back into place. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that area. Alright, I got my taillights here. This one had a little condensation. And then this one over here actually has a lot of condensation. You guys can see right in there. So what I'm gonna do, sit them there while I do my fender roll. I'm gonna let these just chill for a little while, and I actually gotta swap the other bulb. This is one. Ooh, look at that. And then this one, look at this. So this is my passenger side. Really old, right? This is my driver's side. So somebody clearly swapped those out. That will go into that. Let's more or less just pull it out like that and swap it. Push that in a little bit further, and then we're good to go. So I'll give you guys an update after my fender roll, and after those have baked and got the condensation out of the tail lamps. And then I'll go install them and show you guys what they look like. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I just finished. At first, they didn't work. And then I took them out and then I installed my stock ones. And my left tail light didn't work. So I had to take them apart anyways. And I was like, dude, I'm ambitious to get this thing done and get them working. So I got them to work. And look at them. You guys can actually see them. Looks pretty sick in there. I might even get some nice LEDs for my reverse lights. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I'm gonna put you on the stand real quick and you guys can get a look on what they look like. Here we go. Pretty dope, right? So I do recommend them, but the only thing I do recommend is when you guys go ahead and pull them out of the package, make sure you put a pinky finger in between the prong and actually pull them out a little bit. The directions on the package actually states to do that if they don't work correctly, and or to pull it out and to turn it and push it back in. If you guys are rocking with a European vehicle, you're probably gonna have a check engine light or something on your dash, so I guess there is a relay or some sort of bypass you can do, but I'm not familiar with other vehicles. So if you guys are interested in these lights, I'll leave a link in the description below. That way you guys can go ahead and quick link to these. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned.